Three-bagger. A stunning turkey. This player seems to be getting warmed up. Hey, everyone wants to see a ham bone. A killer shot is needed here. Make this place go crazy. Open the game with a strike. Triple points at stake. I wouldn't bet my life on the home run. The engine is running. Here's an attempt to get a fiver. The 10th pin needs cleaning. Hiccup. Welcome. Rolling with pins 1, 2, and 4. Gorgeous. Cleaned up on that one. Beautiful. Strike. Magnificent strike. Last throw. Pins went down and stayed down. This player is going for a Barney Rubble. As you can see, it's not easy. Now it's the time to go for a pickup. Let's see this. Got the head pin and the third pin. Everyone wants to see her turkey. I hope the streak goes on. The sight is fixed on a four-bagger. Unbelievable. Must be dealt with now. Got the kingpin and the third pin. Ah! The points are soaring, but can this continue? Hey, everyone wants to see a home run. Nice. Waiting to see yet another great throw. Here's an attempt to get a fiver. This is an important roll. A sixer or not, we'll see. Oh, so close. Look, to be honest, there's some cleaning up to do. Clean up. Oh. Strike. Continuing after some heavy-duty frames. I would bet my life on a turkey. What a turkey. Hold on to your hats. Aiming for a home run. Far out. Home run. This player is becoming my idol. Look at that. I really like the last throw. I hope we'll see a rhino. And now it's the time to go for a pickup. Let's see this. Spare. Here's a serious attempt for her turkey. Shot at turkey. It's been strong. Few frames from this player. I really hope we will see a ham bone. Nice. Warm-up is definitely done now. Here's a go for a fiver. Hard-earned five-bagger. Time to wear the game pants. Looking for a Bradford. That's some wild turkeys. Seems like something great is going on here. The sight is fixed on a ham turkey dinner. Nice. This calls for concentration. Getting ready for a spare attempt. Oh my gosh! Magnificent. That was a much-needed killer shot. Got a strike. And here's how you stand out from the rest. Trying to pick up a dinner bucket. To see a double. Turkey strike. Excitement is growing. Looking for a three-bagger. Going strong with a three-bagger. Waiting to see yet another great throw. Here's an attempt to get a ham bone. Look at that. We'll see the three-bagger. Up in the game with a strike. The game is on. The sight is fixed on a four-bagger, the kingpin, and the second pin to clean up. Got for a turkey. Yummy. Three-bagger. Chance to get triple points. Everyone wants to see the ham bone. Now it's the time to go for a pickup. Let's see this. Pickup. Yes! Continuing after some heavy-duty frames. The crowd demands a four-bagger. This calls for concentration. Pins 8 and 10 to clean up. I wouldn't bet my life on a three-bagger. Nice turkey. The plane is about to fly. Here's a go for a ham bone. We are at it now. Here's a go for a brat. Bowling is hard. Pin 10 to convert. Clean up. A three-bagger. Attempt is on. Here we go. Going strong. Here's a shot for a four-bagger. This player seems to be getting warmed up. Will we see a brat? Beautiful strike. It's a make or break moment. I really hope we'll see a six-bagger. It's been some solid playing. I really hope we will see a ham turkey dinner. Gorgeous. The stakes are getting higher. Going for it, an eight-bagger. Going strong with an eight-bagger. It's a major shot. A nine-bagger. We'll see. Strike has landed. Top to bottom, a beautiful, beautiful performance. Rolling with the fourth pin and the sixth pin. Three-bagger. Good. Hold on to your hats. Here's an attempt to get the ham bone. Oh, so close. Trying to smack down pin 8. Funk cleared that one.